Hey guys, it's Nathan here at Agile Offroad. We're doing a rip kit on this Pleasureway Ascent today, and we'll also be installing our double shear rear shock brackets. Our customer opted for the upper and lower shock bracket. The upper to fix the Mercedes design flaw with the single shear shock bolt, and the lower bracket to reinforce and box in the lower shock mount. Look forward to showing you the results once it's on. Hey guys, welcome back. End of the day here. We've got our rip kit installed with the upper and lower double shear shock brackets. We've got them fully boxed in, top and bottom now. At the top, we have a little retainer ring here that goes over the upper shock bolt. The shock bolt goes through this outer wall, then goes through the upper shock eyelet into the frame rail. It's a brand new shock bolt. We don't want to reuse the Mercedes hardware because we're adding a little width. At the bottom, we fully box in the lower shock bracket, and then we move the shock mounting surface a little bit further forward. So the shock changes its trajectory a little bit, but looks really nice, very strong, very robust in case you're going over any low clearance objects like rocks, curbs, anything like that. So fully beefed up, ready to hit the trails. Thanks.